Hi guys, I hope you're doing really well. Today's video is a bit interesting one because I'm going to tell you how to use your brush calligraphy to make stickers for your projects. You can use them anywhere in your art journals, in your bullet journals, in your crafting projects, anywhere. They are good to go. You can also use them as headers or just anything. The possibilities are endless. I am really interested and really excited to tell you more about this. So let's get started. I am lettering the word cute and pretty here. I love how the brush pens give a gradient look to the letters. Here I am using a fine liner. You can use a black gel pen as well and give an outline to the words. And then I am fine cutting them. And it will look like this. I have another one here I made earlier, and in this one I have also added some marks with a white gel pen to decorate a bit more. That's it guys. I hope you find these as cute as I find them and it turns out to be helpful for you. If it does, do not hesitate to like, share, comment, subscribe. Do press the bell icon as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.